Hey Rick, it's Max, and it was my pleasure speaking with you earlier today over the phone. I really appreciate you talking and allowing me to send you over this video. Again, all I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback from the video. You can either reply to the email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So that being said, let's jump right into it. I went to click on your website, and this is what brought up. I guess your domain is for sale and that your website is no longer current. But if not, then I'm just not super sure. Maybe you switched your domain over. But anyways, I was going to show you the three main ways to help rank your website in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers each month. And I know that they're being searched because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that just this one key term here gets searched 250 times a month, and that there's other terms that I was able to gather that equated to 510 searches every month for a painting contractor in Santa Barbara. And so just to kind of show you the value of that, there's 510 searches every month. And let's just play it safe and say that you're just ranking here in this organic listing right there. You're still going to be able to bring in about 25% of the traffic that comes through. And so that's an additional 127.5 people on your website every month. And so with a well-built website, you can usually convert about 40% of those into phone calls, which is an additional 51 phone calls every month. And even if you're only closing about 50% of the estimates that you go to, that's still almost 25 to 26 landed jobs every month. So even if you're only profiting $750 per job, that's still right at $19,000 of profit just from this organic listing right here. So again, now that you see the value here, we can jump right into showing you the three main ways to get in this listings here. So I usually go over your website and show you on theirs, but obviously it's down right now. So I'm just going to use your competitor here to show you how easy it would be to build and rank a website over theirs and have it working for you. So I'm going to use Eldorado here. And so the first thing is content on your home page. And so if we copy everything that you see here on his homepage here, including the images and what they're saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, shows me that he has 596 words on his homepage. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on home pages. And the reason for that is that they look at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. And so the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets, and then they can reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you had 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and you had these keywords in there, then you would start to rank over your competitor because you'd have more authoritative content, you'd meet Google's standards, and then you'd also have those keywords in there in a strategic way. The next thing that I wanted to show you was backlinks. And really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take your URL here, it's their URL, and we throw it into Ahrefs, then this shows me the back end of their website. And as you can see, they have quite a bit of number of backlinks coming in, but it's from such few websites that a lot of these are spammy links. And you can see that in this rating right here. This is Google's trust rating and how much they trust the links that are coming in. As you can tell, it's pretty low. So just because they have a ton of them coming in, they do have a little bit of power flowing through their back end of their website. However, Google obviously doesn't trust all of them. So that's a good thing for us because we'd be able to put real quality links on there on your website, and it'd help your back end be healthier than theirs. Just to kind of show you what these links look like, it's just like this one that goes to their home page. However, this one is a temporary no-follow link because it's just a temporary result of the search of this search engine. But if you had links like this that went to your homepage and they were on painting blog posts or a Santa Barbara website, that's going to pass a lot more relevant power and bring up the health of your website. The third and final thing that I wanted to show you was how to get in this map pack here. And that's really just through citations. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, or Facebook. And what that does is it verifies that you have a physical address and that you are a legit business and not just another website out here on the internet. Once Google verifies that, then they'll be able to put you in this map pack. And that's really important because these usually get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here do. And of course, 25% more clicks means 25% more calls, which is 25% more revenue coming in each month. So that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you found this informative and helpful. I really appreciate your time, and I will talk to you soon.